Looking to upgrade your vehicle's radio without hassle? The Professional Installer Series Turbo Kit delivers a fast, precise conversion from DIN to 2-shaft that fits right where your original radio sat. If you want a clean, professional look that holds up, this kit makes it simple to get there. What sets this kit apart is its exact fit to the OEM radio mounting location, so you won't deal with gaps or awkward adjustments. Plus, the patented sidearm support system provides rock-solid radio stability. Made from high-grade ABS plastic, it's built to last and resist wear, so your installation looks sharp and stays secure over time. Users across the United States agree it works exactly as promised. One satisfied customer shared, "Worked great, was exactly what I needed. I'm buying another for my second vehicle." Another praised how it fits perfectly in their truck and appreciated the extra parts included, hinting at even more versatility than expected. Shipping was on time and the price reasonable, solid proof this kit delivers real value. If you're tired of struggling with radio installations that don't quite fit, this turbo kit offers a straightforward solution. It's worth a look if you want a professional-grade upgrade that's easy to install and dependable. Try it when you're ready to bring your vehicle's audio setup up to the next level.